Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Elite CBSE. In this video, we go to see the topic the necklace supplementary 7th lesson written by Gary Maupassant. Dear viewers, if you are watching this video first time, consider for subscribing. And don't forget to press the bell button. You can get notified whenever I upload my videos. For the classes 10th and 12th students, CBSE students. Let's move on the topic, the necklace, written by Gary Maupassant. Gary Maupassant was a French writer. He wrote 300 short stories, 6 novels, 3 travel books, 1 volume of verse. Okay, let's move on the lesson. In this story, we see the 3 main characters: Loisel, Matilda Loisel, Ma'am Forestier. Matilda Loisel was a pretty, ordinary, but discontented woman. She had poor background. She wanted to live luxurious life. She wanted to move with royal family members. Her meager resources were not enough to satisfy her expensive cravings. Craving means burning desire. Her expensive cravings. Her meager resources were not enough to satisfy her expensive cravings, making her angry all the time. Okay. Loisel, who was her husband? Loisel was ordinary and average man. He was contented with his job and income. Also, he was a caring man, as he was excited to show the dinner invitation to show his wife. One day, Loisel brought dinner invitation given by the Minister, Board of Education. And he called his wife, Matilda Loisel, to attend the party. Due to the dissatisfaction of her belongings, especially jewels and dress, she refused to accompany him. After spending fortunes on her beautiful dress, Matilda was faced with yet another disaster. She fretted out the fact she didn't have costly diamonds and other belongings, so that she asked her husband to pass on the invitation to someone else. Loisel first suggested her to wear fresh flowers. Matilda mocked at the idea, and then Loisel advises her to borrow jewels from her rich from Ma'am Forestier. Forestier also lent her diamond necklace. Okay. The ball of the day arrived. Loisel and Matilda went to the party. Matilda was a great victory, great success. She was the prettiest of all, elegant, full of joy, and all the men noticed her and asked her to be presented. She was danced with enthusiasm, intoxicated with pleasure, thinking of nothing, but all the admiration, the victory, so complete and sweet to her hearts. After finishing the party, Loisel and Matilda went home. Matilda removed the wrap from her shoulder before the glass for a final view of herself in her glory. In her glory. She uttered a cry. Her necklace was not around her neck. Then they looked into the folds of the dress, into the folds of the cloak, and they searched everywhere, but they couldn't find it. Liesel went to the police and to the cap office also. They put out an advertisement in the newspaper. All their effort came into the vain. After all their efforts came into the vain, they decided to buy a new necklace instead of last one. Liesel pooled 18,000 francs, 18,000 francs of his inheritance, and they borrowed the rest. Then the couple, Liesel and Matilda, managed to buy a new diamond necklace of 66,000 francs. So, the couple Liesel and Matilda managed to buy a new necklace of 36,000 francs and returned it with a rightful owner. With rightful owner, Ma'am Forestier. Okay, this predicament situation changed the life of Liesel and Matilda. They had to move to the poorest quarters of the city with no maid, no assistants. Matilda herself do everything. Matilda had to sweep, clean, sew, etc. Liesel had to work evening and night for getting money to pay their debt. Due to the necklace, the life of the Liesel and Matilda became disarmed. Due to the necklace, they lost everything: peace, money, belongings, etc. One day, Matilda was taking walk in Champs-Élysées. On the way, she met her rich friend, Ma'am Forestier. Matilda identified her rich friend, Ma'am Forestier, but Forestier didn't identify Matilda because Matilda lost her beauty due to the necklace. Immediately, Matilda introduced herself and told her friend, Ma'am Forestier, everything happened in her story, in her life due to the necklace. Ma'am Forestier replied that the worth of her given necklace was 500 francs. Dear viewers, thus the necklace changed the life of Liesel and Matilda. This story conveyed the message: greedy makes a heavy loss. Greedy makes a heavy loss. This story proved it. Okay.